In the presence of nature, a wild delight runs through the depths of our souls, enveloping us in a transcendent embrace. It is in these moments, amidst towering trees and gentle whispers of the wind, that our spirits are set free, despite the weight of our sorrows. Nature, with its boundless beauty and awe-inspiring wonders, holds the power to heal even the deepest wounds within us. When we immerse ourselves in its embrace, we are reminded of the profound interconnectedness of all living things. The vibrant colors of blooming flowers, the symphony of birdsong, and the rhythmic dance of sunlight through the leaves all speak to a universal harmony that transcends our individual struggles. In the presence of nature, we find solace and respite from the burdens that weigh upon our hearts. The worries and sorrows that once consumed our thoughts are gently swept away by the gentle touch of a breeze. It is as if nature whispers to us, reminding us of the impermanence of our troubles and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead, as we wander through meadows blanketed in wildflowers, climb majestic mountains, or stroll along serene shorelines. A sense of wonder and awe fills our beings. We are reminded of the vastness of the world and the limitless potential that resides within us. Nature beckons us to shed our worries and fears, to embrace the present moment, and to rediscover the joy that lies dormant within our souls. In the presence of nature, we are reminded of our place in the grand tapestry of life. We are but a small part of a much greater whole, and yet, our existence is significant. Each step we take, each breath we inhale, is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Nature teaches us to appreciate the beauty in the simplest of things, and to find gratitude in the midst of adversity.